My name is Kat. I am the Community Outreach Dietitian at Lee Health Coconut Point, and today we're going to be making quinoa. I think sometimes when people make quinoa, it turns out too mushy. Another thing that people don't do is rinse their quinoa. So the reason why we rinse our quinoa is so we get rid of the exterior coating, which is called saponins, and that is kind of like a soapy flavor compound that it'll give that flavor off to the quinoa if you don't rinse it. Another thing with quinoa is toasting it before you cook it will also give that nice flavor as well. So if you buy this type of quinoa, which you can get from pretty much any supermarket, the back instructions will tell you 1 cup quinoa to 2 cups water. I usually just do 1 cup quinoa to 3/4 cup water. That way it won't get mushy and the water will be absorbed.